So let's look at how you can add websites and YouTube videos to your Whiteboard.chat. So you're going to go to the control page. So you're going to go to Tools, then you're going to go to Website, and then you're going to click, and then you're going to paste the URL in like this, and you're going to hit Load Web Page. Oops, let me do that again. And Load Web Page. Now, as you can see, this is the teacher side, and on this side I'm showing you a student board. So you can see now that that student can click and go to different things on that page. And what's cool about this is they're still inside of Whiteboard.chat, but then they can do the things that you want them to do. So that's one thing you can do. I'm going to go to another page. So now let's look at how to add YouTube videos to Whiteboard.chat. I'm going to go down to Tools, and I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to click, and then I'm going to paste the YouTube video link in here. What's cool about this is you can also set the exact time where you want the video to start. So if you don't want them to watch the whole video, you can control what time they're going to see. And you can set it so when it ends as well. I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. Over here on this side, you can kind of see that they can watch this video. The cool thing about this is it could be a video that you had recorded of yourself teaching them a math lesson, and they can actually work and do that math lesson while they are watching the video of you teaching that lesson. So lots of cool things that you can do with adding websites and adding YouTube videos into Whiteboard.chat.